Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset your VW Jetta oil change light. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself, saving you a trip to the mechanic. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you can easily follow along. This guide is designed to be quick and effective, getting you back on the road with your service light off in no time. First, get ready by turning your Jetta's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed, as this can sometimes affect the process. Next, find the trip reset button, usually located near your speedometer or on the instrument cluster. This button is key for the next steps. Now, press and hold the trip reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. While still holding the button, turn the ignition completely off, then immediately turn it back to the on position. Continue holding the button until the oil service message on your dashboard disappears. This usually takes just a few more seconds. Finally, release the button and check your dashboard. The oil change service light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Always ensure you perform regular oil changes to keep your Jetta running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.